What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Eva. This is a company that I've worked with in the past, so they is nothing new, okay? So they sent me a 5x5 lace closure wig today, and we are doing this completely glueless, okay? So I'm trying to think, what can we do to separate this wig or make it look interesting, make it look edgy? So we're gonna be doing like a short blunt cut bob, and I'm excited. Now, you normally see like the really short, edgy blunt cut bobs with like bone straight hair, but you don't normally see them with curly hair, or wavy hair. So we're gonna be doing that today. So, modeling today, we have my best friend, Finesse Goddess, in the building, okay? Blessing us with her presence and her beautiful face and her beautiful makeup, because she fine as fuck at that shit. All right, so what I'm doing right now, right? I am doing the full ball cap method, and I'm using a medium brown cap from galaxygirlhair.com. But normally when I do lace closure wigs, I don't, or anyone, you don't have to do the full ball cap method. You can really just put the glue at the top of the, what's it called? What's that thing called? Forehead. You can only put the glue at the top of the forehead and it'll still serve its purpose. But I'm doing another wig right after this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole thing. And we're not doing like a 360 wig or a ponytail, nothing like that, so I don't have to do anything special with the back of the cap. I'm just gonna cut it and tuck it like I normally do. And I know it's not just me, but doesn't this ball cap method look like extremely good? And that's with no makeup, no nothing. All right, cool. So now let's take our scissors and cut that extra lace off. And one thing that I've been doing lately is, before I would take my makeup and tint the lace before I apply it on the model, but now I'm doing it after, because I experienced making the lace a little bit too dark. Like, I completely missed the mark, with my model skin tone, and I don't want to do that no more. So I'm just going to apply the laces first, if I am unsure about the complexion, and just do like a little patch test, like at the sideburn, and if it looks right, then I'll put the makeup all over. All right, so this wig, it's really full at the top. Not saying that that's a bad thing, but it's like really full. And I don't want it to look lumpy or bumpy at the top. I want it to be really flat and, really natural looking. So I'm applying extra setting foam to the top, because this tropical root setting foam gets really sticky and it really holds the hair good. So when I'm scared that it's not going to be flat, I just put more setting foam. All right, so let's go ahead and start working on the baby hair. And I'm not gonna lie, when I was at this stage of doing her hair, I was still set on doing it bone straight. Like, that was set in my mind. But the more I was looking at this curl pattern, I was like, this is looking kind of cute. At first I was thinking it was just like a loose body wave type of, I don't know, I didn't think it was gonna give much. But the more I see the hair wet and the more I imagine the cut, it's definitely given in my mind. All right, so let's talk about these baby hairs, okay? So y'all know I be going back and forth between tropical root setting foam and got to be glue, but today I actually have a specific reason why I'm using the foam, because number one, she's not gonna keep this wig on long, so I wanted something with a little bit less hold so she could just kind of, take it off at her leisure and not have any like residue or anything like that left on the hair. All right, so the mold made the top nice and flat, and now let's talk about the length of the bob, okay? This is crucial. Now, personally, I wanted to do the super short, it's not called a pixie. I don't know what to call it, but that super short, blunt cut, edgy, vibe. I wanted to do that. I was set on that. And I was like, okay, I'm scared that she's not going to really like that. Or I don't know, you know how girls be sometimes about short hair. Like, short hair don't look good on me. But but she was definitely down, okay? And that's what I like. I like it. I like people that let me freestyle on their head, okay? Because I know what I'm doing, okay? I'm a professional. I do this. All right, moment of truth. Let's take a look. Okay, I like it. Now, the thing that I have to change about it is it looks kind of thick and boxy on the bottom. So I'm gonna take my razor comb and just kind of round out the ends. Okay, yes, that's what was needed. Okay, now it's an actual look. Before it was giving strong Kelly doll vibes. All right, so the style is basically done, but because I'm a perfectionist, I have to make sure that the bottom is, looking clean and looking perfect because what would a hairstylist be if we didn't make sure it was perfect, right? So this is the final result and it came out cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous when I first cut it. I was like, oh shit. But it came out really cute, especially after the razor comb. So if you guys are interested in this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, girl, what are you doing? Make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.